Hey guys, so I have here my JBL TUNE225 truly wireless earbuds, and today I want to show you how to pair these with an Android phone. So in this case here, this is my Samsung phone. If you're trying to connect these to an iPhone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. So in order to pair these earbuds, we're just going to take out the right earbud after it's been charged for a while. And what we're going to see is here this LED, and it's going to blink in blue and white. See this blue and white? And in case it does not do that for you, then I suggest you do the following. And what you're going to do is you see the button here on the right side, and you're going to press and hold that for more than 5 seconds. And now the earbud is going to shut down, so it's turning off. And after that, we're going to turn it back on by pressing the button again. We're pressing and holding for at least 5 seconds, and that will first turn on the earbud, and then it will also bring it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And now you see it is going to blink in blue and white. And now we're going to switch to the phone. So we're just going to go to the settings menu by swiping down on the screen, and then you see here this cogwheel icon. And so now we're in the settings menu, we select connections, and here you see Bluetooth. So we are going to enter this menu now, and here the first thing I have to do is turn on Bluetooth, and now it's going to search for the earbuds. And in case it doesn't do that, then you may see here a scan button on the top that you can press. But in this case it is already scanning for devices, and you see here on the bottom JBL TUNE225. I'm going to select this, and then here I have to confirm that I really want to pair these earbuds now. And then it's already going to automatically connect. We don't have to do anything. You can also see here the battery percentage. And if you take a look at the LED here on the earbud, you see now it's not blinking in blue and white anymore. Now it's just pulsating here in blue. So this means it is now successfully connected, and we can start playing our music here by using the earbuds. And now, of course, we can also take out the left earbud out of the charging case, and it's going to automatically sync to the right earbud, and both earbuds are going to play the music from our Android phone here. And in case you just want to use the left earbud or the right earbud, then you just put the other earbud back into the charging case, and then just a single earbud will work by itself. And now, if you're wondering if you have to go through this entire process every time you're trying to use the earbuds, then the answer to that is no. So next time you're going to turn on the earbuds by just taking them out of the charging case, they are going to automatically reconnect to your phone. You don't have to do a single thing as long as you still have Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone. And yeah, so this is already it here. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.